Hello guys, today I'm gonna speak about my most favorite makeup tool, and that is Vichy Tear Cut Black Beauty Blender as I'm doing my base makeup. This Vichy Tear Cut Precise Makeup Sponge Box contains this beautiful black beauty blender along with cute mini pink blender. This is the size in its dry state. After it's completely damp, you can see that it has doubled in size and it is so soft. So I have applied primer and orange corrector. Now I'm gonna just run the blender on my skin gently to remove any excess orange corrector. Then I'm blending the concealer and foundation well with the same beauty blender. If you have oily, acne prone or sensitive skin, then beauty blender is the best makeup tool for your makeup base. You can see that I am blending it in dabbing motion rather than just rubbing on the skin. This will help you to achieve a flawless look. Also, this beauty sponge blends the product seamlessly while it does not soak too much of product, and that's why I love Vichy's makeup sponge a lot. I almost use only this beautiful sponge to complete my entire base makeup. Even the liquid contour, here I am using a darker shade foundation, gets blended in a flawless manner without any harsh edges. Now to set my base makeup, I am applying loose powder with the same sponge, leaving the contoured area to get a defined look. I usually use the sponge to even apply loose powder because it provides a natural skin-like finish, and that's why I absolutely love it. This black makeup sponge is especially designed for person using dark shade foundation like me, as it does not stain much and can be maintained easily. So that's how makeup base looks like. Hope you all like my review on my favorite Vichy Tear Cut Precise Black Beauty Blender. If you do so, don't forget to like, comment, share and save it. Until next time, bye.